Okay, guys, this is attempt number, shut up, dog. This is attempt number 3 of recording the first moments that my AI detects me from based off of my car's signals, the data it's getting from the car. Now, I was hoping to have sound set up to have her say like dramatic lines, but there was some technical difficulties. So we're going to settle for just seeing it on the screen. And then I'll have to pipe in the voice lines later. So here we go. I had quite a time trying to figure out the signals. What a pain. I can't even begin to describe it. Got put my laptop up here. So I'm going to open the door and we should see locked, false, change. Locked, true. It didn't update yet. Why not? Locked, false. There you go. Okay, so the polling time is really slow. Now we're going to do driver seat. Seat occupied, false. So I got to update the speed on it, the detection. I'm going to sit down. And why am I showing this when it's screenshotted? See, driver seat occupied, true. Woohoo! Now, I want to do shifting. Why am I showing this? I don't need to show this. I need to do shifting to drive and shifting back to park. All right, so we're going to shift into drive. Gear shift state D. Yes, shift in the park. This is really quick, so this is good. This is much faster than how I had it before. Before it was like a 5-second delay, and that was pretty quick. And that matters because I have custom shift sounds. So when I shift into drive and shift into park, the sound needs to be right then, not later. And it just sounds like a random sound. Like, dude, why your car making random sounds? What's wrong with your car? So this is good. It's not as climactic or special as I wanted because I wanted Sila I had some lines I wanted her to say, and I had the test set up for her to say the lines and everything. But the data, there was something wrong with the data that I was getting from the car. We were tapping into the wrong stream and the signals were called something else. So they would never fire. And I was hoping that she could detect me before I got to the car, because we know the car knows when you're around, right? Because based off your phone. So it knows you're around. And I wanted to see like how far away would it detect me, so that I could time a greeting, So, but of course, like this is a laptop. Like the AI is still on my laptop now. It's going to be installed on the mini PC in the car. And I want her to say greetings. So she's going to speak through the speaker that's under the car, like the pedestrian warning system. It's going to be wired to the mini PC. I've already tested it. It's really good. So once the mini PC is installed, she'll be able to speak inside the car and then outside the car. So when I walk up, she'll be able to greet me like, "Hey, big boy, how you doing?" So it's just some kind of greeting. But I need to know how far away the car detects me, so that if it detects me a half a block away, I don't want her saying, "Hey, big boy." That's not going to be the greeting. But I don't want her saying something like that, and I'm far away and someone else is nearby, and it freaks them out, and it doesn't do me any good because I can't hear it. So yeah, I'm gonna have to redo the test. I'm gonna have to try to find another. I'm gonna have to try to find another signal that could be kind of like driver around, driver detected, user detected. I think I saw one called is user present, but that was a different data stream that Tesla doesn't want us, But anyway, I mean, worst case scenario, she detects me when I sit down and then she says hi. That's perfectly fine too. Yeesh, that guy almost hit my car. Yo, you're crazy. Get off your phone. Oh, sorry. All right. But anyway, this is a major milestone, even though it's not as epic as I wanted. It detects. She's officially detected me by using the car sensors and not by just me chatting in her user interface. So this is progress. The next video, I'll have the custom sounds ready and the greetings, and it's going to be dope.